Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable DLSS 4 on NVIDIA app for RTX 50 series. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up NVIDIA app and go to drivers tab. Make sure you are up to date. After that, go to graphics and you just need to make sure the game support DLSS 4. For example, PUBG PC that doesn't support the DLSS 4. As you can see, unsupported. You just need to select the game and scroll down under driver settings. You can able to see DLSS override model presets. Click on this pencil icon and use the same settings for all DLSS technology. Click on this drop down and select latest and select apply. And under DLSS override frame generation, click on this drop down and select 4x. This is the DLSS 4 guys, and now you just need to launch the game. You just need to do the same thing in game. To do this, open up game, go to settings and frame generation, set this to NVIDIA DLSS frame generation, and that's all you need to do guys. And if the game is not supported, it's like it shows unsupported, then you just need to click on this three dot icon and select refresh. And if this doesn't fix your problem, then just to close stuff here and just to open up Chrome and search geek uninstaller, select the download option and select the zip file and download it. After getting download done, you just need to open this program just like this, double click on it and open it. Now you just need to search for NVIDIA app. Click on right click on the NVIDIA app and select uninstall. This will help you to remove all the leftover files on the NVIDIA app. After uninstalling it, reinstall the NVIDIA app and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.